What's going on? Sean here, welcome to another video. In today's video, we are gonna go look at some houses today down in Rhode Island. Lily and I are both trying to acquire a property. We are gonna use her eligibility as a first-time home buyer and buy a multi-unit with her loan.
Nerf this!
We're also gonna be looking at another investment to put in my name because I have some access to some private money, which I'll explain in another video what private money is. Basically, someone who's willing to give me a loan without conventional financing. So we got a day. I gotta hurry up and get to the gym. It's gorgeous out. It was gorgeous out yesterday. It was like 70. The rain came early and then drifted off the second half of the day, and the sun came out and it was 70 degrees. And I think today is going to be a similar situation except without the rain, so I'm hyped for that. Yeah, so I'm excited to get the day started, excited to go see a few properties, and ready to get the ball rolling. But I gotta go. Check you in just a sec. Alright, update. It's hot, I'm sweaty. I almost like passed out at the gym because it must have been something Lily and I ate when she was like throwing up and like going to the bathroom last night, and I feel like I got like the same wave, like almost like when you get food poisoning, like that type of hurt. So let's go see how she's doing. I made it through the workout though. It's tough, but almost like an enjoyable pain, if that makes sense. See how she's doing. Uh-oh. I think she's sleeping. Yep. Still sleeping. Babe, how you feeling?
Death.
Like death? You don't look like death. Alright, so we're gonna get ready and head down to the island of Rhode Island. So right now, Lily and I are at the first property of the day, and it's a single-family home, 3-bedroom. Obviously, you can see the detached garage behind me, and we're just waiting on the agent to come let us in. Looks like it's got a newer coat of paint, and it's at a really good price. Neighborhood seems good. Obviously, you can hear the music behind me. Nothing that we haven't heard before. She's pissed that I put her on camera. So yeah, I'm curious to see what the inside looks like. In that garage, I want to see what's in that garage.
Yeah, me too. I hope it like looks nice.
Yeah.
And this.
I really like how it has like the brick down below
fine.
though. Oh. You okay?
Yeah.
It's got newer windows. I wish it had vinyl siding, but this paint looks like it's on the newer side, so that's a good thing.
Yeah.
Let's go inside.
Before I see you again, before it all makes sense, but I can't hold you back. And I still don't understand where it came from.
Okay, so we're walking back to the car. I really like the place. There is like bonus rooms. It's listed as a 3-bed, but there's really 5 bedrooms that you can make work. And that's really why, again, you have to go see places, because you find things like this that you wouldn't know just by looking on MLS. So when you go look at places, you find hidden gems like that. So that house is now more, as I'm walking through a tree, so that house is now more valuable to us because of the hidden treasures in it, so to speak. And Lily likes it too.
Love.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really
So that's, I mean, that's definitely on the possibilities. And the good news is it's only first place we saw so far. So let's continue.
With the passion, I'm awake with the flame in a hailstorm. I'm back in, I gotta have it. Everything to do with what you give to me.
Hello?
Nice little house.
Hello?
Yeah, we have the key. Yeah, it has a lock.
Yeah, okay. So, okay. No closet up here. This is like a glorified studio.
Oh.
Like, look.
Yeah.
There's... So, I'm a little bit taller than average, guys. I'm about 6'2". And there's people out there that are a lot taller than me. So, I'd probably be like the max height. Look at, this is what he's got for a closet. But, I mean, it's nice. So final thoughts on that one. I love the location. The house was like very awkward, as you saw. We'd probably have to put in an offer like way below ask in order for it to make sense. So we're on to the third and final place.
Oh.
So that one was a big hell no. We didn't bring the camera in there because it's occupied. So there's people living in there. And it was kind of like an open house style, like people coming in and out. But just know that it was a big fat no. And again, why you have to go see places. And the reason I like that particular property is because it includes a buildable lot, or not permitted, but expectedly you should be able to build another multi on it, which obviously is very enticing, but not worth it. The juice ain't worth the squeeze on that one. So, on to the next one. So we are gonna head home and just relax.
Maybe go to Target?
Maybe go to Target. So we just got out of Target, and because we're disgusting human beings, we're having Chipotle again. So that's on its way. So we gotta go meet the delivery driver back at the house. And we just picked up like a soup bowl and like K-cups. Fun stuff. But we're in the lot of Stop and Shop. You're
not gonna show them, are you?
I'm gonna show the protesters.
Oh my god.
Matt, if you're watching this, I don't have the balls to go in there and buy something, so
Yeah, seriously.
let me pan. Let me see if I can talk to one of these people.
No. Yeah, there's cops there.
They got cops, people going crazy. Jeez. That's alright. You get the picture. Next day, we basically just came home, chilled out. I started editing and I forgot to finish this video, but we watched Game of Thrones. Amazing first episode of the season. So I'm so hyped that's back on. I was gonna like film like during the episode and like my reactions and stuff, but I got caught up in it and did not do that. Now, I just want to end the video here. So thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, because I do release videos every Monday to get your week started and every Friday to get your weekend going. I also do release bonus videos at random, so make sure you got the notifications turned on and you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. I appreciate all your support. I'll catch you next time. Signing off.